It's time for Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween to you, all of you. And today, I'm going to make some bread. Yeah, bread. What am I gonna use? Sriracha ramen. I've got a ton of these cups. I've done all the reviews. I'm gonna make a 100% instant noodle with emulsifier ramen special bread for Halloween. Not yet. Let's do this. The bread is done. Wow, this weighs a lot. Ooh, it's kinda squishy. Look at the top of it. I do have an idea of what I'm gonna do with it. Do you like Halloween? I do. My children are both very excited. Anyways, this is bread. I'm gonna let this cool, then come back and slice it.
Well, this did not go as planned. I suppose I should taste it. It is very moist and eggy. Eggs. I suppose in keeping with the holiday at hand, I should do something fascinating with it. I've got an idea.
Well, here we are. It is done. The bread was made from Ace's Sriracha Ramen Noodle Soup noodles. 4 packs of those, 4 eggs, some oil, 3 of the seasoning packets, 2 original and 1 beef, and a bunch of water. And I added chocolate milk to the bread. And then here we have serrano pepper, a cooked bowl of chicken Sriracha Ramen Noodle Soup with the soup drained off, a little bit of oil, a chopped up piece of the bread, and some lovely eyeballs. I think that's everything in there. It's quite a smorgasbord. The bread itself didn't work out so well. See this? Too eggy. I added some sauce to this. I just went to the store to get sriracha sauce and they were out. I'm not really looking forward to this bite. Let's give this a try. Wow. This is really strange. I don't recommend making this. I just recommend you make the Ace's Sriracha instant noodles the way they're supposed to and don't screw around with them. They're pretty good that way. I like them. But I had so many of them, I thought, hey, why not give it a try? Don't give it a try. I did it for you. Leave it alone. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you a happy Halloween and a good one. Bye.